How can I represent an infinite number in Python? How can I represent an infinite number in Python? No matter which number you enter in the program, no number should be greater than this representation of infinity.
In Python, you can do. In Python 3.5, you can do. And then will always be true. Unless of course, as pointed out, x is also infinity or nan, not a number. Additionally, Python 2.x only, in a comparison to ellipsis, float, inf, is lesser, e.g. would return true.
Since Python 3.5 you can use math.inf.
No one seems to have mentioned about the negative infinity explicitly, so I think I should add it. For negative infinity. For positive infinity, just for the sake of completeness.
I don't know exactly what you are doing, but float, inf, gives you a float infinity, which is greater than any other number.
There is an infinity in the numpy library. From numpy import inf to get negative infinity. One can simply write inf.
If you want some more detail, please indicate as a